Hey guys, it's John from Glassful Media, and in this video series we're going to show you how to build out a website, breaking it down into bite-sized chunks. Let's get into it. Okay, so in this video we are going to show you how to add an SSL certificate to your WordPress website. We are using a Plesk system, and we are also using GoGet SSL certificates. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a new order. And my orders are going to create a new order. We'll go with a SSL certificate. We want the normal standard one, and we're going to set it up for a 3-year period. Okay, so if we pick for 3 years, that is $266 per year, giving us a total of $798. Next steps. Okay, complete order. We're going to use PayPal. Okay, perfect. So we've completed an order. Now we will go back into our SSL certificate, and it will show you that it is incomplete. You'll see the ones below. When it is set up, it will say active. So on our website, you'll see on the top left, it says not secure. What we want to see here is we want to see a security seal. So let's reload this page. Nice security seal here. And it says the connection is secure for your information. It says the certificate is valid, cookies in use, and the site settings. So sometimes, depending on where you're coming from, your computer won't let you go on, or it'll show you a prompting screen saying that the website is unsecure. So you'll have a much bigger drop off, and it will also affect your SEO and many other things. So get yourself an SSL certificate. If you think it isn't necessary, you are unfortunately wrong. We got to get back in and set ourselves with an SSL. So, see, I have a nice little intro text there. That's fine. Okay, so new SSL website design Ireland. So what I want to do is I want to use a text editor, because it's going to help us out. I'm going to hit Command on my computer, so this opens up the CSR code in a new tab. I don't want to open it up in the same tab and get rid of this screen. So in our new tab, we will set this up with Website Design Ireland, take out the HTTPS information. This is part of Glassful Media and IT department. We're based in Dublin, and our country is Ireland. glassfulmedia@gmail.com. Generate CSR. So now we've got our CSR and our private server key. So we want to copy all of this, including, you'll see it says begin certificate request and end certificate request. So I've seen a lot of people, when they copy and paste their code, they're only copying the information, not including the hyphens and the begin certificate request. You need all of it. So let's copy and paste that into our text editor. And now let's go back to the other tab, and we're going to paste the CSR. So let's grab the begin and end text, paste it in here, validate CSR. We are going to confirm it through DNS. So I use myself as the admin. I agree to all of this. Complete generation. I unticked it, so let's go back. IT manager. Continue to SSL certificate. So now what will happen is we need to go into our hosting, and we need to validate it through DNS. So how we will do that is we are going to click on the validation DNS button, and we'll have a look at our registered domains, DNS records, and we want to add a DNS record from what the SSL certificate GoGet SSL is telling us. So what you need to do here is, this isn't very clear. You see a lot of text here. So what we do is we want to take the code from the start of this before the website address. So I'll click the all the way up to .website address, website domain, website design Ireland.ie, and I want to create a cname. So let's pick cname. The domain starts off like shown in the last page. And now we want to pick the full code here, and we're going to paste it in. Now this is going to give us an error. So it says .com, click finish. It says you need to finish it with a dot. So make sure you finish all of this with a dot. Okay, now that's set up there. Now let's click revalidate. We'll come back to this in 3 minutes time. Okay, after 3 minutes, the SSL certificate has been authorized. So you'll see it says, congratulations, SSL certificate is being approved. So now what we will do is, and you can also do that by email or by adding a piece of code onto the website. We decided to do it by DNS today. So now we'll go back to the certificates page, and we will click on the view button for our new certificate. And we want to download all files. So now we're going to open the zip file. Okay, now we've got 3 different files that have opened up, and we're going to right click, open with, other. So you want to open this with a text editor. Again, it took a bit of time to figure out that you need to open these with text editors. It's not very clear. If you try to open it straight, it'll just go to lots of weird stuff and it's just wrong. So just right click and open with text editor. I'll save you some time. Okay, so now we are going to go back into our hosting, and we are going to go to the Website Design Ireland hosting for SSL certificate. And we're going to skip the let's host and go advanced. Click add new SSL certificate, website design 2020. Going to leave it all as Dublin. Grab our private key that we saved earlier on, including the begin and end information. Then we're going to get the 3 files, which we don't need one of them. We do not need the CSR. We need the CRT, and it says the file name, CRT. Paste it in there. Get rid of any spaces and get the CRT. Oh, that's not the right one. That is CA. Let's go back into the SSL management. Download all, open. CRT. Okay, I just want to double in case. Other text editor, open. Copy the CRT. Paste it in. Again, make sure there's no space and click upload. There we go. And then we go to hosting settings. So if I go back to the website design Ireland, reload it, it will still be unsecure. So we need to go back into the hosting settings, find the section that says security, SSL certificate, pick a certificate, and we want to pick website design 2020. And we'll hit OK. Now it'll take a few seconds to load up. But what we should have is this should reload with the SSL certificate. If you do it too fast, it will give you a 502 error. So we'll reload it one more time. And nothing has happened. Give it a second. Why is that not going on? There we go. So it is now set up. Connection is secure. And that's it. The website, the SSL certificate is set up. The one more step that you'd need to do is if you wanted to include webmail for your web, then we will go to SSL certificate, website design 2020, hit OK. And then if you want to make sure that it goes into your inbox, make sure you update your DNS settings. That will allow your emails to send correctly and get to people's inboxes. That's been the video to show you how to set up and implement a new SSL certificate. I hope you found it helpful. If you've got any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll see if I can help you out, and make sure that you hit the subscribe and the bell button, and I'll catch you in the next video.